Welcome friends. In previous tutorial we saw a layout. In this tutorial we will learn about Toolbox. Some tools in the Toolbox are for selecting, editing and creating page elements. Other tools are for choosing type, shapes, lines and gradients. You can change the overall layout of the toolbox to fit your preferred window and panel layout. By default, the toolbox appears as a single vertical column of tools. You can also set it up as a double vertical column or as one horizontal row. However, you can't rearrange the positions of individual tools in the toolbox. You can drag the top of the toolbox to move it. The toolbox also contains several hidden tools related to the visible tools. Select a tool from the default toolbox by clicking it the toolbox. Hidden toolbox Hidden tools are indicated by arrow to the right of the tool icon. Select a hidden tool by clicking and holding the current tool in the toolbox and then selecting the tool that you want. What is tooltip? The name of the tool and its keyboard shortcut appear when you hold the pointer over the tool. This text is called the tooltip. You can turn off tool tips by choosing none from the tool tips menu in interface reference. This is toolbox overview. Here toolbox are given. This is a selection tools. In selection tools, selection, direction selection, page, gap, content collector and content placer. In drawing and type tools, type on a path, line, pen, add anchor point, delete anchor point, convert direction point, pencil, smooth, erase, rectangle frame, ellipse, polygon frame, rectangle, ellipse, polygon. In transformation tools, scissors, free transform, rotate, scale, shear, gradient swatch, gradient feather. In modification and navigation tools, note, eyedropper, measure, hand, and zoom. Toolbox overview. Display the toolbox. Choose Window menu, then after click on Tools. Display tool option. Double click a tool in the toolbox. This procedure works only for some tools such as the eyedropper, pencil and polygon tools. Display and select hidden tools. In the toolbox, position the pointer over a tool that has hidden tools and hold down the mouse button. When the hidden tool appears, select a tool. Here, pen tool. In pen tool and add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, convert direction point tool. These all are hidden. Select tool temporarily. When one tool is selected, hold down the keyboard shortcut of a different tool. With the keyboard shortcut still held down, perform an action. Release the keyboard shortcut to return to the previous tool. For example, if the gap tool is selected, hold down the V key to temporarily use the selection tool. When you release the key V, the gap tool is selected. View tool hints. The tool hint panel describes how modifier keys works with the selected tool. Choose window, then after choose utility, then after tool hints to display the tool hints panel. Select a tool in the toolbox to view a description of that tool and its modifier keys and shortcut. Change the toolbox layout. Choose Edit menu, then select Preference. Then click on Interface Windows. Choose Edit menu, then select Preference, then click on Interface. Choose a layout option from the floating tool panel menu and click OK. You can also click the double arrow icon at the top of the toolbox to change the toolbox layout. Toolbox overview. Type tool, drawing tool, selection tool, transform tool, navigation tool, scissors tool. In first, type tool. Create and format type in standard or customized block or path. In drawing tools, draw and style simple and complex objects, including rectangles, ellipses, polygons, freeform shapes, etc. Selection tools. Select objects, points, or lines. In transform tools, reshape, reorient, and resize object. In navigation tools, move around in, control the view of, and measure distance in a document. In scissors tool, split path and frames. Thank you for watching video.